Hi, welcome. Here's the question that many people ask themselves. Should I clean first or declutter? Well, the answer is declutter, because when you have clutter, you can't clean. You can't get under things, around things, you can't see things. So declutter comes first. Deep cleaning will come later. Now, that's why in the FlyLady system, we do a weekly home blessing hour. It is a blessing. It is not a deep clean. It's 10 minutes in each of the 6 areas. Stripping our bed and washing our sheets, dusting, cleaning the glass, emptying the garbage, sweeping the floor or mopping the floor. No, sweeping the floor or vacuuming the floor, and mopping the kitchen and the bathroom. Each one of those take 10 minutes. That's it. So when you have 10 minutes to vacuum your house, it means you pick 5 rooms and work for 2 minutes in each room. There's no deep cleaning. So when we are continuing to declutter, our house looks nice, but we're going to declutter before we deep clean. That's it for today. I hope you have a great day.